following counties in Iowa: Benton, Cedar, Delaware, Iowa, Johnson, Jones, Keokuk, Lynn, and Washington. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet for the latest severe weather information.